Hello, my name is Diakoumakos, and together with my supervisor, Dr. George, we are searching on how to enhance the cybersecurity through gamification techniques. The cybersecurity training is the backbone of every operation in order to assist its assets and protect their goods. And thus, personnel needs to be trained well in order to identify risk and face all these problems. It could be very badly impacted if a breach is happening, economically speaking. Training platforms differ based on their type. There are either simple games for novice users like card games, or lightweight platforms used for everyone in order to become better and educate himself. Cyber ranges are more robust systems that can use and utilize different tools in order to create more realistic scenarios. The cybersecurity training is an ongoing procedure and should never be stopped by someone that needs to keep up to new technologies. The gamification is used extensively in this content in order to engage the user and assist them during their learning procedure. There are different gamification elements. Based on battle, there are 4 types: killers, achievers, socializers, and explorers. And based on which group we need to address more, we can use a set of gamification elements. What's the problem now, though? The problem is that there is no global mechanism in order to fit them all. There is no standardized methodologies on how to create the gamification system, and thus this creates the discrepancy among the platforms and the users that cannot communicate with each other and compare their knowledge. Our proposition is to create a global gamification mechanism that shares all these commonalities and create a hybrid, adaptable, and highly applicable system to address the needs of every platform. Our theoretical approach is first to decide either we need a game-based system or a gamified system. The difference is huge, but the cybersecurity has in its core the game elements like team versus team, leaderboards, etc. So the game has the game as a primary role, but a gamified system has the game as a tool in order to make a better place for them to study and assist them. We need to consider our target audience and the learning outcome we need to accomplish, and thus we need to compare all the existing gamification techniques, the user personalities, and their engagement. Our implementation approach is a backend system and a database system that can store all this information in order to create recommendations about the users how to improve through their progression in different scenarios. Of course, a customizable rewarding scheme is very important. So this is our current stage. We have developed this algorithm in order to evaluate users regardless of the source of the information. We are doing a comprehensive analysis to categorize all the gamification mechanisms and examine the engagement of and the impact for each trainee type and these technologies, while the gamification techniques alignment is very important in order to understand how user group and exercise nature can be combined in order to achieve all the educational objectives. In the future work, we need to determine which we need to decide the game or the gamification, develop this comprehensive system, and create an AI copilot that can combine all this information, like the scenarios and the users, in order to assist the trainer to create new exercises. Thank you very much for your time. Please feel free to ask me any questions.